In my previous video, I introduced you to the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief look under the hood. It's unlike anything on the market. Here are just some of the features. To start with, it is expandable in a stackable fashion, providing a range of 6.144 kWh output to a whopping 30.72 kWh. Here's another new feature EcoFlow has done: the flat cables. The cable management is key in something that is expandable and stackable, especially when providing the wide range of kilowatt-hours output. You can keep continuing to stack batteries using compact flat cables like these. So, looking on the front side, you have two completely different sets of 20 amp, 120 volt plugs right here. You have a TT30P 120 volt 30 amp plug right there, and this is the game changer. A 240 volt split phase L1430 plug here on the end, just like you typically see on other generators. Now up top, you get a typical USB-C output port that supports USB-C powered appliances with maximum 100 watts output. An AC power button. Press once to enable or disable the corresponding AC ports. Press and hold for 10 seconds to switch the AC output frequency. A main power button. One long press for 1 second to power on. Press and hold for 2 or 3 seconds to power off. Press once to turn the LCD screen on or off. Press and hold for 5 seconds to reset Bluetooth when the product is turned off. Here is a DC power button. Press once to enable or disable the corresponding DC ports. And finally, a USB-A output port that supports USB-A powered appliances. Continuing with the DC output port, which will support a cigarette lighter and other appliances. This is a low PV input port to connect to solar panels for charging, with a voltage rating between 30 and 150 volts. The PV switch enables or disables solar charging. Here, a ground screw provides protection from potential electric shock. At this location is an AC charging input port that connects the device to a wall outlet or to a generator for charging. An AC charging speed switch here adjusts the recharging speed of AC charging. This is a high PV input port that connects to solar panels for recharging with a voltage rating between 80 and 450 volts. A lock hole here prevents accidental startup. At this location is a power output port, which connects to a generator for charging. Finally, here we have a battery port, which connects the inverter to the battery. As I mentioned previously, this unit can be placed indoors and is virtually silent when operating. To obtain more information on this subject, and pick up your free digital copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators, simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/3 uppercase S, uppercase P, 0, lowercase x, uppercase V, uppercase Y. As the title screen of this video suggests, this is video number 15 of my DIY house circuit layout and connection series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand and manage your home's electrical system safely and efficiently. By the end of this series, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to tackle your own electrical projects and ensure that your home's electrical system is running smoothly. Future topics to be covered will include panel wiring. Learn how to properly wire your electrical panel, including identifying circuits, connecting breakers, and ensuring proper grounding. Receptacle connections. Understand the wiring and installation of duplex receptacles, GFCI receptacles for added safety, and AFCIs to protect against electrical fires. Appliance receptacles. Discover how to wire 20 amp, 30 amp, and 50 amp 240 volt appliance receptacles for various household appliances. Light switch wiring. Master the basics of wiring light switches, including single pole, 3-way, and 4-way switch configurations for controlling lighting throughout your home. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where I dive deeper into each of these topics, providing step-by-step instructions, safety tips, and troubleshooting advice to help you successfully complete your DIY electrical projects. Don't miss out on future installments of my do-it-yourself house circuit layout and connection series and empower yourself to take control of your home's electrical system. Stay tuned to this site, as I will be providing more information on electrical installations. In the meantime, take advantage of the availability of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets, if you haven't already downloading them. The formulas and information there can be used for everything electrical, especially when viewing my courses. Simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/47 uppercase y uppercase b 3 lowercase v lowercase h. You can directly access my StanStore courses at this website. https://stan.store/uppercase g uppercase v uppercase b. This is the end of this video.